Hey everyone, this is Mike at Sweet Briar Farm. In this video we are bringing home, unloading our 3 replacement steers. In one of the last videos we loaded up the 2 steers that we had for fall beef, and I wasn't thinking that we needed to have another round, and these should be the last 3 that we have to purchase, hopefully, as long as we get some bull calves this spring. But we bought 3 from downstate and we brought them up home here. And they're 3 nice little steers. One of them is actually a chondro, a little short-legged one. So they're settling in with the rest of the herd right now.
Dad! There's like 3 little pigs.
All the way open.
Open. Come on.
Yep, there's Dexter.
Aww. Right for the fence they go. Well, they learned that early.
Ivan, will you grab a hammer? So as you can see here, these little cows, they slipped through our hay feeder. There's one there, and there's one standing over in there. So what are their names? Lenny and Luke?
And Liam. Lenny, Luke, and Liam.
Lenny and Luke are always slipping through. Liam, the shortest one, actually doesn't. So you can see he's going back through now. All right, come on. Go too. So we will often see these 2 little guys running around in the backyard, the dog chasing them, and the dog is actually pretty good at herding them back into the pen here. So we got a good cattle dog and a Great Dane. All right, that's it for this video. Well, as you can see, winter happened overnight. It's cold, and keep you posted on what's going on. Thanks for watching.